Please? Get in! That's it! Oh God. Oh God. So today we're in a 1988 Cadillac DeVille, notoriously named the Grandmother Mobile. We're gonna take this thing rock crawling today and see how far we can get it on some of the gnarliest places. They're pretty reliable for how old they are. We got both the poodles. We got the three-legger right here. My buddy calls him the tripod dog because he's got 3 legs. So it looks like we just stumbled upon our first culprit. Check out this rock garden. This seems like a pretty big challenge, at least for how low that car is. Our only issue is that thing literally has like that much ride height. So we're gonna scrub everywhere. What are we looking like? I can't see shit.
Just go backwards more and then floor it.
Floor it? What's right there?
Nothing, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, you'll just bend over.
I gotta take a look.
You're fine. Floor it.
She got some power. Are we scrubbing?
Yeah, good.
Oh God. We're completely high centered. Hey, get in and I'll push. Yeah, we're completely high centered. Question is do we try again? Floor it harder, he says. Did it do it?
Keep going.
It won't go. Oh. I think floor it harder was a bad idea. So what the goal here is pick up the back end to put more weight on the front tires because it's front wheel drive. I'm gonna make the homie hit it with the quad too, so we for sure make it over. That don't work.
You're a smart fella.
Peter, why did you have to get us stuck? All right, do we want to try it one more time? Why not? Oh, 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 oh. Should I keep it? Okay. Yeah, come straight. Oh my God. Holy shit, it's making it. No, you go off down there. God. No sweat. No sweat. Oh, that smells bad. Dude, that thing is unstoppable. Oh my God. All you need is a bit of a run. I didn't even mean to do this. It'll get stuck in the places you don't think it'll get stuck. Yo girl gets stuck on us again. Honestly, not surprised. What can you do when you got 6 inches of clearance? What's up, Chief? What's up, Shane? I gotta get the old quad again. That was easy. Oh yeah. This thing is gnarly! There's nothing this thing can't do, I'm convinced. I think we need to invest in some rock sliders for this thing. Drop off that, I gotta get a run.
Yeah, run at it!
No.
If I get squished, I'm gonna eat you.
Nuh-uh, because you'll be squished.
Ah. That. Nah.
That was a terrible idea.
That's fucking scary, dude.
Get the rest of it.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll never do that again. So the grandmother mobile survives. We're gonna stop while we're ahead because I want to use this car for more future videos. Honestly, this thing is freaking insane for what we put it through today. Anyways, stick around for more videos in the future.
Radical, dude.